Hey there, Travel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you my new skincare routine that I start. Hashtag non-spons. My skin, because I'm traveling all over the place all the time. In winter, I'm going to hot weather. In summer, I'm going to Greece where it's hot weather. Everywhere I'm going, it's a lot of sun and very hot weather. And because of that, my skin don't have time. You need your rest time for your skin, for your body cells, and so on. So if you were born and raised in Romania, for example, you you have four seasons: summer, autumn, winter, and spring, or the other way around. Anyway, the transition from hot to cold usually is slower. But now we are in May when I'm filming this video, and I'm doing that because I have a group travel, and I will not be in the country when you will see this video. But the thing is, it's end of May, just two more days until June, but it's like I saw on the social media, I think on Instagram, where they say, now I know why May is called May. It may rain, it may snow, it may be sunny, it may be hot, it may be cold. So May, December, actually. And look at me, it's cold outside, it's raining for 2 weeks now. I didn't saw any small ray of sun. But the thing is, because I'm traveling a lot, my skin doesn't have breaks like let's get a break, let's regenerate the cells and so on. So I have some pigmentation, hyperpigmentation things going here. You can see them a little bit, and here. So because of that, I thought, okay, I will take better care of my skin. Plus, it was very dry around here where is the hyperpigmentation skin. So I made a little bit of research, and I found the cheapest but the best quality products. According to the quality, they are affordable products. So I need in my skin routine anti-dark help anti-dark spot serum. It's this from Revox. Revox is a good company with very affordable products. And anti dark spot serum, you have to put it on your face every day, 6 days per week. In the morning, clean your face. Let's start with the start, actually. Let's do that. I found in my advent calendar a few years, 2 years ago, I found 1, 2, 3. This product here, this company, it's amazing. They have more natural products, more clean ingredients, and they smell nice, but not because of the perfume, because it's citrusy, because they use lemon zest inside their products, which is amazing because you have nice perfumey face wash without a lot of fuss. The thing is, it gently cleans your face. It's a gel, and it lets your face very clean. I love it, I adore it, and I wouldn't change it for anything. I used to have a La Roche-Posay Clar foaming gel, but it would dry my skin too much. This is gentle, but leaves your skin very clear. So this is step 1. I don't have all the steps in the routine from 1 to 3, but that's it's good enough. So for the morning, I'm putting Revox like this, anti-dark spot serum, and it contains vitamin C, what else? Azelaic acid, vitamin C, and niamicid. So you put it on your skin, massage it, let it a few seconds to enter the skin, and then I am putting face moisturizing for dry to very dry skin with ceramide, hyaluronic acid, and niamicid. And it has SPF 25. These two, usually I wear them in the morning. Besides that, if it's very sunny and I will stay a lot outside, I bought this Altruist Dermatologist face fluid SPF 50. It's with vitamin E, antioxidant, sunscreen, so it's good. It's cheaper than others, but it's quite expensive, but not like others. And it's fluid, it enters in the skin very fast. Whenever you use vitamin C and retinol, you need to cover your face, and it will help you with the hyperpigmentation. That's why I'm using it. I don't use typically everyday SPF because it blocks my pores and I get pimples all over my face. But whenever I stay a lot in the sun, I prep it with this also. So these three in the morning, and at night, of course, I will take again my skincare cleaner, my skin cleaner. Woohoo. And 2 nights per week I use retinol, but just two nights, and that's all. And it's this here, also from Revox. Clean my face, wash it thoroughly, clean it, dry it, pat it dry, and then a few drops of this retinol. It helps reducing the pigmentation spots, reduces the pores, and also they say it helps with your wrinkles. After that, I will moisturize it with Revolu Ceramide again. And that's it. The next morning I will clean it again and do the rest of the routine. The only time I'm just moisturizing is on Sunday, when I let my skin take a break, and I just put moisturizing, and if I stay a lot in the sun I will add some SPF cream. So this is what I wanted to tell you, to let you know there are good products. Tell me if you have Revox in your country, and if you gave it a try. For me, this is very nice, very good, and this amount, I think it will keep me for 2 or 3 months, even if I wear them every day. This one, I think it will last me longer because I wear it just 2 days a week. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you guys later. Bye.